All right, guys, now that you have your GoveeLife Smart Humidifier set up, you've added your water, you've added your essential oils, now it's going to be time to connect this to your smartphone app. So to get to this point, once you've installed the app, if you don't already have the app, you will have to install the app on your phone, follow along, go through, set up your Wi-Fi, set up your password, username, all that stuff. Then when you get to this stage right here, you're just going to click on this little plus here at the top. It's going to scan for the device. All you have to do is click on add, like so. It's going to give you instructions as to what you need to do next. So we're just going to press the power button like so, and then it will connect. At that point, it will notify you that it has connected. You have the option of changing the name on the air purifier, humidifier, if you want to, or you can just go ahead and click done. Again, you're going to go through and connect your Wi-Fi. Go ahead and move forward from there. Now that you're successfully connected, you'll be able to control the humidifier right from your smartphone app. You can go in and adjust your levels manually if you choose to. And you guys can see that reflected here on the humidifier. You can set up custom as well as you can go into auto mode. Okay, so you have a lot of functionality there. You can also come down here and choose schedule. If you don't have a schedule, you can click on it and add a daily schedule for your humidifier. You also have the ability to set your timers up. So if you want to set it for a specific amount of time for it to be on, you can do that from here as well. You also can adjust your display, your night modes. You can turn the light on or off. As you guys see here, we can turn our light on or off right here from the app. You can also adjust the color, the hue, the brightness, all of that right here from the app. And I want to show you guys right now. So I have this already set up, and you can see that it is right now working and providing humidity here in the room. Okay, so this is a win, guys. And not only that, you can also turn this off from the app. So just, click right here and that would turn it off. Okay, so you have a lot of functionality from this app. Anytime you want to use it, you can connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. I highly recommend installing this app on your phone to be able to control your humidifier. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys how you can connect this to your smartphone. This could be your iPhone, Android phone, iPad, Android tablet, whatever the case it may be. This will also obviously work with Google Home and Alexa. This is a win. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.